there! In this tutorial, I will be showing you the power of Python using this Python program I created. This Python program will allow the user to say anything or read anything out loud. Then, the program will automatically type everything that was said into a file or document. This program is useful for those who are handicapped so that they cannot type. Or anyone can use this program. If they do not feel like typing, they can simply call out the words. Watch as I run this program.
Commands on.
A11. When I called out A11, I am choosing the name of this document. Right now it is untitled document. It will automatically change to file 1. Dear Michael, I have received your invitation to your birthday party. Full stop. New line. I am glad that you invited me. Full stop. New line. Yes. I will be sure to come. Full stop. You can see that I voice typed this small this small note here. I will run this program again, only this time I will be typing the name of the file.
Commands on.
Type into. Here I can enter the name of the file I want. Let's call it My Story. Once upon a time, there lived a boy named Jack. Full stop. New line. One day, Jack found a magic bean. Full stop. Enter. He decided to sell it, because he did not know it was magic. Full stop. Enter. This time, I will read an article and see if they will type it for us.
Commands on.
B12. When your puppy is about 4 months old, you should start taking him out for walks. He should get used to the sounds and smells of the world outside. The first few walks outside should not be very long. Always take him on a leash. The first time he may not like it, but little by little he will grow used to it. You can see they automatically typed it for us quite accurately. And it's already saved, so we simply close this. All of the documents that have been auto-typed will automatically be saved to my Google account. This is the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions, requests, suggestions, or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos frequently about math and Python teaching. Thank you for watching. Today is April 2nd, 2020. Have a nice day.